Thank you for buying this Triton Precision router. Once you have taken all the items out of the box, check them over visually to make sure that you have all the components and that they are in good condition. Check the lead for any breaks. If you find any problems, return the router to your retailer. This video is a quick start guide to setting up your router in order to cut and rebate. Your router has been designed for ease of use. The first thing to do is fit the 12mm router bit to the collet. To begin, release the plunge lock lever and turn the machine upside down. Press down on the sides of the base to bring the collet as far as it will go towards you. Engage the plunge lock lever to secure the collet in this accessible position. Rotate the chuck to engage the spindle lock. This will also lock the power switch cover so that you cannot access the power switch. Using the spanner, undo the collet so that it's sufficiently open to insert the router bit. Be sure to insert the router bit fully into the collet. Use the spanner to tighten the collet so that it holds the bit firmly. Hold the body of the machine securely and disengage the plunge lock lever. This will release the collet lock and the power shut-off mechanism. There are two ways to adjust the cutting depth: free plunge and micro adjuster. To use the free plunge method, ensure the plunge lock lever is disengaged. Using the handles, push down to the required plunge depth and engage the plunge lock lever. To use the micro adjuster, disengage the plunge lock lever and simply turn the micro adjuster knob until the bit is at the depth you need. To fit the fence base, loosen and push up the mounting knobs to engage the keyhole slots in the fence. Then retighten the knobs to secure the fence. Now loosen the side fence knobs and slide the fence base on through either end. Then retighten. Time now to put on all your safety equipment. Plug the router into a power supply and check that the power light is on. Set the speed of the router to the correct speed for the material that you are cutting. Higher speeds are recommended for most timbers and MDF. Lower speeds for synthetic materials. Hold your router firmly and keep an even pressure and movement when cutting the rebate. Always use both hands to control the router and always ensure that the workpiece is secure. Never use the router freehand without a guide. Always feed the router against the direction of the cutter, as shown by the arrows on the base. Do not use the router upside down unless mounted in the appropriate device, such as the Triton router table. When you have finished the cut, turn off the router and disconnect from the power supply. Be sure to clean the router after you have finished using it.